I know many of us are looking for ways to make extra income. Whether you're a student or a stay-at-home mom or just someone like me who just want to make extra money so as to add to your current earnings. Now trust me, making an income online is the best way to add to whatever you're getting at the moment, especially if you're just a beginner when it comes to online earnings. In this video today, I'm going to walk you through different ways that you can make money online. Now, the format I'm going to show you will be a format that is user-friendly. If you haven't earned money online before, if you haven't used online earning before, trust me, you're going to be able to do this. Now, let me say that this is a format that I have used myself, and I know people that have used them and it worked for them. So the question of is it going to work, is it legit, is just not there, because it is a legit way of making money that I'm going to show you in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. This is Online Cash Craft. What I talk about here is different ways that you can make money online. So if today is your very first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much. And if you've been here before, you decided to come back and watch my videos, thank you so very much. Now, without much ado, I'm going to walk you through how you can make money online as a beginner and show you step by step different ways that you can get this achieved. Now, the very first step that I want to show you today, you can make money online, is you make sure you identify the kind of skills you have. So many of us have so many skills. Now, you might say, oh, I don't have skill. No, you do have skill. All of us, we have skills. Now, all it takes is for you to identify the skill you have so as to monetize it. Now, what are the skills I'm talking about here? Are you one of those people that speak more than one language? Are you one of those people that can write? Are you one of those people that can interpret? All of these are skills that you can use to make money online. And not just using them to make money online. I'm also going to show you the platforms that you can use these skills to make money online. Now, having told you a few skills that people have, it might be good for you to just take a moment, pause and think about that special skill that you have. Now, how are you going to identify the skill you have? If there is anything that you love doing, that is a skill. You're the kind of person that loves to teach others. You're the kind of person that like to interpret things to other people. You like to help out. You're somebody that can do a lot using your hands. Those are skills that you can use as a tutor online. You could actually monetize it as a tutor, where you set up your platform and you lecture, you tutor other people and make money. If you are somebody that loves to do things with your hands, you might want to go into craft and you monetize it by using a platform that is called Etsy. So you can see that the list is endless. There are so many skills and different ways that you can monetize all of these skills. Now, having identified the skill you have, the next step will be for you to choose a platform that you can use to monetize that particular skill that you have. Now, for so many people, it can be so overwhelming to decide on platforms to use to monetize their skills. And so you do not worry. That is why I'm here. If you are someone into freelancing, you might want to think about Upwork, Fiverr, to use those platforms to monetize that skill that you have. when you think about all these websites, all the platforms, you find out that they are a good place to start, because the platforms will connect you to people that want the kind of services that you render. For instance, if you love explaining things to people and you're a tutor, you set up your profile on Upwork or Fiverr, the platform will connect you to people that are looking for those services. And because you are the one that will call the shots, you are the one that will say how much you want to charge, they will connect with you and you earn money by using the skills that you have. Now, for those of you that are interested in selling products, you might want to think about Etsy, because in Etsy you can sell handmade products on the platform. You can also think about Shopify for drop shipping, which is another good way to make money online. The kind of person that loves teaching, you might want to sign up to a platform like VipKid or Check Tutors. So these two platforms are for teachers, those that love to teach others. here's the tip. Do not just want to limit yourself to one platform. You can explore other platforms, so many platforms, and see how it works for you. Then the one that you resonate well with, you go with that particular platform. Use it and make money online. So you sign up to different platforms, you will stand the chance of knowing how the platforms work and then be able to decide which one is best for you. And the next step to making money online is creating content, making content and creating content online. What do I mean? What I'm doing now, I'm creating content online. If you have a TikTok account, you create content by making your videos. You use it to make money as well. Open up a YouTube channel, create content, post them. People watch it. With AdSense, you make money because people are going to use your channel to do adverts and you get paid. So that's another huge way to make money online. Now somebody might say, how am I going to make money by creating content? If you create valuable content that people will identify with, you're definitely going to make money with those content. So there are billions of people in the world, and every content you create, there must be people that will resonate with those content, and there will be people that want the kind of content you create, so long as you're giving value. And then let me tell you, consistency is the key. The more content you create, the more you're gonna engage with your audience, the more your channel is going to grow, and as your channel is growing, the more money you're going to make. This is how it works. You're gonna start making money by ads, by sponsorship, by adverts, and all of that. There are so many different ways you can make money, even via affiliate. You can also use your channel to promote your affiliate links, which will enable you make extra money as well. And the fourth step is for you to be persistent. You have to be patient because making money online doesn't happen overnight. It takes a little bit of time. But are you gonna make money online? Yes, you are. Now, why do I say it takes a little bit of time? Because it will take you time to build your brand. It will take you time to get customers. If you have a social media platform, it will take you time to build your audience. That is why you have to be patient and persistent, and then be consistent in what you are doing. Do not get discouraged. Like when you just start, you might think, oh, you're not gonna get there. You will definitely get there, but do not give up. Just keep being persistent and patient. Now on a final note, I'm gonna tell you to just believe in yourself. Yeah, because sometimes we actually think we cannot do it. There are so many things we can do, but sometimes we tend to not believe that we can do it, and that tends to draw us back from getting to our potentials, achieving what we're supposed to achieve. So that's what I'm saying. Do not give up. Trust and believe in your abilities, because of course you can do it. That is all I have for you for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be notified. Once again, thank you, and I think you might want to watch the next video up there. Thank you so much.